I know, taga Davao, kababayan ka ni Jamal. Ito taga Xavier ka, di ba may? Women's, okay, sige. Ang napili niya ay ang word na compassion. Alright, so if compassion had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why?
According to history, we do have two types of Nazareno. Nazareno Masa and Nazareno Maharlika. But I really want to choose the physical art that was made by the anonymous Mexican artist that was brought by the Spaniard May 31, 1906. And that is the Nazareno Masa. I really want to relate compassion to the Nazareno Masa. It is because as a poor individual, we put so much compassion to believe in God in order for us to survive, in order for us to live what we call life. So to all of us, don't lose hope. Always have compassion within your heart. Good evening.
Wait lang. Okay. Dali lang. Alright, so, based on what I read, with this in mind, if greed had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why? Again, if greed has a physical form, or had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why? Timer starts now.
For me, as a simple human being, if greed is a physical form, for me, it's a crown. Why? Because we all know that we all candidates, we are so greed to get the crown. But we always forgot the sportsmanship. Because that is the most important why we keep joining here. To be inclusivity and magkaisa tayo lahat dahil tayo rin mga kapwa LGBT ang mag-aangat sa ating bandera. Kaya wag kung tayong masyadong mag-greed sa corona, bagkus mas bigyan natin ng importansya ang sportsmanship. Thank you.
Question is, with this in mind, the big word is pride had a physical form. What do you think it would be and why? The word is pride.
Since we are celebrating the annual Miss Gay Quiapo, which is the so-called panata to everyone, which is a modern tradition to manifest our faith in collaboration or in connection with the LGBT community, I would connect it in a physical form of this stage. Why? Because in this stage, we can see all the girls of all genders, especially the trans community, showcasing their talents and skills. And we are showing everyone that we are full of pride. We are raising our colors that regardless of our gender identity, we have a place in the so-called Quiapo, which is a perfect place for faith, hope, and love. Thank you.
Candidate number 38.
Jack De La Serna.
Forgiveness. Forgiveness. Alright, so if forgiveness had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why? Timer starts now.
Thank you. I would like to correct the other candidate. When you say physical form, it is what we call matter. And when you say matter, it is anything that has mass and it takes up space. Ladies and gentlemen, as we portray the Black Nazarene as devotion and faith, I believe that the Black Nazarene is Jesus. And Jesus is once a human being. So if forgiveness has a form, it is us human beings. Because we give forgiveness and we experience forgiveness. Thank you very much.
Mind. Jealousy. Jealousy had a physical form. What do you think it would be and why?
I will answer it directly to the point. I will compare the jealousy in a cup of spoon. Why should I say so? Dahil naniniwala po ako na ang isang kutsara ang nagsisilbing blessing sa ating buhay. At ang blessing na iyon, naway sana huwag tayong mainggit sa mga taong mas nakakaangat dahil sila ay gawin natin silang inspirasyon dahil sila ang tutulong sa atin. Nakagaya ko, may pagkakataon ako na kayang tumulong sa kapwa. Gagawin ko ito. Dahil naniniwala ko, in this world, we are exceptionally amazing if we do good things for the benefit of humanity. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you, candidate number 43.
Miss Yumi Garcia.
After this, top 5 na. So, hindi ako pwedeng sumagot. So, the word itself, ang nakuha niyo po ay word resilience. Resilience ang nakuha niyang word. So if resilience had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why?
Alright, I do believe that would be a pencil. Why? Because we are just a human being. We commit mistake, but through that pencil, we can be able to write our own story, and through that we can be able to inspire and help other people, and through that we can be able to lift each other up, and through that no one will left behind. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much, candidate number 32. And that's it. Tapos ang ating top case. Oh, I see. I think isa lang. Okay. Cataluna, nakuha niya ay ang word na arrogance. Arrogance. If arrogance had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why?
I think
Timer starts now.
if I were given a chance to, what would it be in a physical form, in a word, arrogance. I think it's a bird. You know what, ladies and gentlemen? Kaming mga bakla, para kaming ibon. Kasi every time na pupunta kami sa ibang lugar, iisipin ng ibang tao na may mga bagay na hindi nila alam na kung ano yung tunay nating nararamdaman. Yung mga taong arrogance, yung mga ganyang klaseng bagay, alam naman natin na malaki yung matututunan natin. So be thankful. If there's someone who made you feel like you are a loser, isa lang po yung dapat nating sabihin bilang isang bakla. Ako po ay isang tao. Magandang umaga.
Ready na? Sige. The word chosen was empathy. If empathy had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why? Again, if empathy had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why? Timer starts now.
Okay, thank you so much. So, I think empathy is as a physical form, that would be a cross. Why should I say so? Dahil naniniwala ho ako na ang pagyakap sa Panginoon at pagbigay ho natin ng importansya at bigay ho natin ng faith kay God ay nagbibigay ho ito sa atin ng lakas sa araw-araw nating ginagawa. Palagi ho natin pakakatandaan na if we have faith in God, we can make an impossible to possible. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, candidate number 54. All right. Okay, if humility had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why? If humility had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why? Timer starts now.
If humility have a form, that will be the money. Alam naman po natin na lahat ng tao, maraming dito sa ating mundo ginagalawan ang nababago ng pera. Kaya para po sa akin ang humility, ito po ay simbolo na kung saan marunong tayong magbalik tanaw, kung saan tayo nanggaling. Pera ang dahilan kung bakit nababago ang tao, kung bakit nagkakaroon ng hidwaan sa bawat isa. Kaya para po sa akin, ang pera ang simbolo ng isang humility. Maraming salamat po.
Okay. Sige po.
Or the question is, with this in mind, the big word is kindness had a physical form. What do you think it would be and why? Kindness. Timer starts now.
Kindness is the most important thing for me right now because I joined here. This is my first time joining pageant, like for almost for 7 years. So I don't have experience about a lot of things, but in this pageant, I don't have a lot of things to bring, but my sisters, candidates here provided me some kindness to to like things
and my costumes, my casual wear, and my evening gowns. Thank you so much for my handlers and for the people who give me kindness tonight. Thank you so much.
It's okay, it's okay.
Thank you so much.
Sa lahat naman ng first timers, it's natural to feel that.
If doubt had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why? The word is doubt. Timer starts now.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You know what? Negativity is always there. Negativity will never be erased from our life. But it is up to us humans on how we will face it and we will deal with it on our daily lives. And I think being a Catholic, it is important to have a connection with God because having faith with God, that is our source of comfort and guidance. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Miss Julia. Ang natira pang segundo ay fear.
Good morning, people of
Timer
Quiapo.
starts now.
Good morning, people of Quiapo. When we search the meaning of physical form on Google or a Webster dictionary, it is a physical appearance, a shape, or a configuration. Well, if I would be given a chance to choose a physical form, it would be a circle. Because I believe that fear, ang fear ay walang katapusan. Kaya ihahalin tulad ko ito sa isang circle na kung saan minsan sa kagustuhan nating maging isang mabuting tao, nakakalimutan nating magkaroon ng takot sa Diyos. Naniniwala po ako na lahat tayo ay may kanya-kanyang kabutihan sa ating puso. At ang circle ay magsisimbolo ng fear dahil naniniwala po ako na kung ikaw ay may takot sa Diyos, then definitely mabubuhay ka ng walang katapusan, hindi dito sa mundong ibabaw, kundi sa ating kalangitan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much. Number 3.
If patience had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why? Okay, if patience had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why? Timer starts now.
If patience would be a physical form, what do you think can be and why? If patience would be a form, it would be the stars. Because sometimes we stretch our patience for our loved ones. Because as we can see, the stars may not be visible. And our patience may not be visible at times when it got tough. But it is just like stars. It is where the darkest, where the stars shines the brightest. And no matter what we do, the stars may not be visible. But if we have patience to whatever what we wanted in life, then we can achieve everything. Thank you. Good evening.
If generosity had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why? Timer starts now.
Directly, it's going to be money. As we all know, one of the reasons or one of the ways for us to showcase our generosity to people is to showcase or to give money to someone. And if everybody will be able to provide that physical form to everyone, if everyone will be able to distribute money to all of the people, then we will be able to showcase generosity. And I hope that despite of it not being a physical form, we continue to be generous, not just in a form of physical, but also in a different way. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you so much. Had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why?
If courage is a physical form, it would be a form of our holy book, the Holy Bible. Because ladies and gentlemen, try to think of this. Sa daming problema na kinakaharap ng bawat isa, sa daming kalungkutan, sa daming nararamdaman, what we need is our 101% faith in God. Because faith is the most powerful weapon na mailalaban natin sa kahit anumang sakuna, kalungkutan, o kahit ano pang mangyayari sa ating buhay. Ladies and gentlemen, if courage is a physical form, that is the Bible. Because the Bible teaches us how to grow to be a better version of ourselves. Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you. So I think wala pa naman 1 minute, you know. We failed.
Which is the word ambition.
So again, with this in mind, if ambition had a physical form, what do you think it would be and why?
Your timer starts now.
If ambition would have a physical form, it would be a rosary. Why did I say so? We are ambitious person. At sa lahat ng pinapangarap natin sa buhay, nakakapit tayo sa rosaryo, nagdadasal at tumihiling na sana makamit natin ang mga pangarap natin sa buhay. And being ambitious person is the most powerful thing, like a rosary. Because if you have this, I can assure you, you will have your ambition not only in your mind, but also in your heart na dadalhin mo at mamahalin mo hanggang magtagumpay ka. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, 15 seconds remaining. Pero natapos.
Thank you so much. As human beings, we all experiences different failures, catastrophes that sometimes makes us stumble and fall. And the perseverance is the cornerstone of moving forward. And I believe that if perseverance would be a physical form, it would definitely be a flower. Because a flower bloom, and blossom. And just like as human beings, our hearts should always be filled with that blossoming perseverance to continue to straddle the imaginary petals of life and to move forward. Because as human beings, we are experiencing difficulties, but with perseverance, we can get through it all. Thank you so much.
Yes, right on.